The mission of the Jonesville Academy is to equip underrepresented minority males with the tools necessary to succeed in school.
Jonesville Academy is a community where scholars excel.
It's fun.
11-year-old Ja'caurie Woodard doesn't even mind going to class every other Saturday.
You learn how to become a good man and be a role model for other people.
JaCaurie is one of 56 students in grades 3rd through 8th enrolled at the recently opened Jonesville Academy, which meets at Gary Ransdall Hall.
All the students go to either reading and writing, history, language, and culture, and STEM.
Jonesville Academy resulted from the two co-founders merging their youth service nonprofits for a virtual conference last fall.
With that collaboration, we just kept our friendship and partnership and expanded, and here we are today with Jonesville Academy.
It took less than a year to open the academy, where scholars are being supported by educators, mentors, and a leadership team.
Jonesville Academy creates a space where they can learn about material that's created, with them in mind.
I love for black and brown boys to know that they can achieve things. I don't think that they get that enough from society in general.
Named for a community founded after the Civil War, Jonesville Academy held a ribbon cutting earlier this month at the site of the marker.
Being able to create a program like the Jonesville Academy that can honor that community will really show how we are creating a new legacy.
And encouraging scholars like JaCaurie to reach for their dreams.
You got the opportunity to be like a doctor, a lawyer, really anything you want to be.
Jonesville Academy will be in session every other Saturday through May. To learn more, log on to jonesvilleacademy.org. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.